In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion pages aesthetic with color blocks, custom dividers, and colored text and backgrounds. We'll keep it simple and practical, using built-in tools and a clever equation trick so you can quickly style your pages without extra plugins. Let's start with simple colored blocks using a toggle list. In your page, type toggle list, and add your content inside the toggle. Hover to the left of the block to reveal the double dot handle, then click it, choose color, and pick a background you like. Now open the toggle so you can see your content. Place your cursor right after the arrow and press backspace to remove the toggle arrow. You'll be left with your text sitting on the colored background, which is the goal. If you accidentally remove more than the arrow, just hit undo and try again. This works because Notion keeps the background styling even after the toggle is gone, making it a fast way to create color panels for notes, callouts, or mini sections. Next, let's create custom colored dividers with an equation. Type equation to insert an equation block. In that block, type this formula, then replace the placeholders: $color, hex underscore code, rule, length, width, $. For hex underscore code, use something like hashtag FF5733 from a color picker. For length, choose how wide you want the line, such as 1000 px. For width, set the thickness, like 10 px. After you've typed it, select the text and click Create Equation to apply it. If your divider looks too long or thick, adjust the numbers until it fits your page. This gives you precise control over color and size, beyond Notion's default dividers. Finally, let's color text and backgrounds in existing blocks. To color the background behind a specific line of text with a custom color, type color box, hex underscore code, followed by your text, then convert it to an equation. To color the text itself with a custom color, type text color, hex underscore code, followed by your text, then convert it to an equation. If you don't need custom hex colors, you can use Notion's built-in options. Highlight your text or click the double dot handle to the left of the block, choose color, and pick either a text color or a background from the presets. For readability, aim for strong contrast, and keep your palette consistent so your page looks intentional rather than busy. With these methods, you can quickly add personality to your Notion pages while keeping everything clear and usable.